Today, we are going to know about our solar system. First, let us know about the Sun. The Sun is the center of our solar system. It is a ball of hot, glowing gases. The Sun is actually a star. It is the most important part of our solar system because it gives us warmth and light. If there were no sun, there would be no life on Earth. Did you know that the 9 planets evolve around the Sun? These planets follow paths called orbits. Now, let us know what the first planet is. Mercury is the first planet. It is the closest planet to the Sun. Because it is so close to the Sun, Mercury gets very hot. During the day, the temperature on Mercury can get as hot as 430 degrees Celsius, while at night, it can also get as cold as negative 175 degrees Celsius. The surface of Mercury is hard and rocky. It has craters, cliffs, and valleys just as Earth does. Did you know that Mercury does not have any moons or rings? Also, there's no liquid water on Mercury. Next, the second planet is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. It can get as hot as 480 degrees Celsius. The temperature can get this high because Venus has a thick atmosphere. The air around the planet is mostly a gas known as carbon dioxide. Venus is a very dry planet. It is covered by thick clouds, so astronomers on Earth can't see the surface of the planet with their telescopes. Its clouds contain sulfuric acid, while Earth's clouds contain water. Did you know that in the year 1990, the American spacecraft Magellan began orbiting Venus using radar to see through the clouds? These radar pictures show craters, mountains, volcanoes, and valleys in the surface of Venus. The third planet is special. The third planet from the Sun is Earth. It's special because it is our home. The surface of Earth is similar to Mercury and Venus. Earth is a hard, rocky planet. There are high mountains, valleys, volcanoes, and even craters. Earth is special in some very important ways. Mostly, it is covered with water. The air is made of nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. It is just right for us to breathe. Earth has one moon, which is essential for making the Earth's temperature stable. Did you know? American astronauts took the first pictures of the whole Earth from a spacecraft traveling to our moon in 1968.
Let's proceed to the fourth planet. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and considered as the second smallest planet next to Mercury. The soil on Mars contains iron oxide or rust, which make the ground red. This is why Mars is called the red planet. Mars has mountains, canyons, volcanoes, and craters. Scientists think that the large canyons were formed long ago by water. Today, there is no liquid on the water surface of Mars. Mars has an atmosphere made almost of carbon dioxide and traces of nitrogen and other gases. And did you know that in the year 1997, 2 spacecraft landed on Mars to study the planet? They studied the atmosphere and collected soil samples to look for signs of life, but no life was found. Have you heard that Mars has 2 moons? Yes. Scientists also studied the two small rocky moons of Mars. It is called Phobos and Deimos. The fifth planet from the Sun is Jupiter. Its temperature is negative 220 degrees Fahrenheit at the cloud tops because it is so far from the Sun. When astronomers look Jupiter through telescope, they can only see tops of clouds in the atmosphere. Jupiter's atmosphere is made of two gases, hydrogen and helium. These cloud tops are made of frozen gases such as ammonia and water. These colorful clouds cover the entire planet, making it look white, brown, red, and orange. Have you ever wondered why is there a great red spot in Jupiter? This great red spot is a storm which has been going on for over 300 years. It would be impossible to land spacecraft on Jupiter. Scientists think that at the very center of Jupiter, there will be a core of ice and rock about the size of Earth. Jupiter's four largest moons are called Galilean moons, named after Galileo Galilei, the first person to use telescope to look at the heavens. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is a lot like Jupiter. Its temperature at cloud tops is negative 285 degrees Fahrenheit. Saturn's atmosphere is similar to Jupiter's atmosphere. It is mainly made of two gases, hydrogen and helium. A spacecraft traveling down to the atmosphere of Saturn would have the same problem as a spacecraft traveling through the atmosphere of Jupiter. Notice that Saturn has the most spectacular rings in the solar system. These rings are made of billions of small chunks of ice and rock. Each of these pieces is like a tiny moonlet that orbits Saturn. The largest moon in Saturn is called Titan. It is also considered as the second largest moon in the solar system. Uranus. You know that Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun? When astronomers look at Uranus through a telescope, they see some clouds in the atmosphere above the clouds. These clouds are made up of frozen methane. Methane is a gas which we use for cooking and heating on Earth. The temperature at the top of the clouds is negative 370 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 220 degrees Celsius. The clouds of Uranus appear bluish green because of methane gas in the atmosphere above them. Did you know that the atmosphere below the clouds is mainly made of hydrogen and helium? Deep in the atmosphere, the gases are pressed together so much that they turn into liquid. Scientists think at the very center of Uranus, there may be core of ice and rock. If you landed on one of the moon of Uranus, what do you think you would see in the sky? Neptune. Neptune is usually the eighth planet from the Sun. Sometimes Pluto moves closer to the Sun. The Neptune is the ninth planet from the Sun for a while. The temperature on Neptune above the cloud tops is negative 355 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 215 degrees Celsius. The clouds of Neptune are made of frozen metal. These clouds appear blue because of the metal in the atmosphere above the clouds. The atmosphere below the clouds is mainly made of hydrogen and helium. Neptune is a great dark spot. It is probably a star similar to the Great Red Spot on Jupiter. The very center of Neptune may be a core of ice or rock. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are called the gas giants. How are these four planets alike? How are they different? Pluto is usually the ninth planet from the Sun, making it the farthest known planet from the Sun. Sometimes Pluto's orbit crosses the orbit of Neptune. When it does, Neptune becomes the farthest planet from the Sun. Did you know that from 1979 to 1999, Pluto is the 8th planet from the Sun, and the Neptune is the 9th? The temperature on the surface of Pluto is about negative 270 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 420 degrees Celsius. Pluto has a thin atmosphere of methane and perhaps some nitrogen. The planet's surface is methane-fest. Scientists think that Pluto is made of methane ice, water ice, and some rock. Pluto is so far away from the Sun that a day on Pluto is only a dust on Earth. We have only seen Pluto from far away. It looks like a point of light.
Do you still remember what we have learned today? Which planet is closest to the Sun? The answer is Mercury. Which is the hottest planet? The answer is Venus. Which planet has people, plants, and animals? The answer is Earth.